Angelina and Sterling here from Modernize My Site, specializing in damn sexy WordPress websites. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to find a WordPress website designer.
If you'd like to learn more about WordPress and web design, subscribe right now.
Right now. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of working with an experienced business, the benefits of working with a team rather than an individual, the significance of finding a designer who has studied the right things, working with someone who won't just build and move on, and working with a designer who conducts competitive research.
When working with a WordPress website designer, it's crucial to work with someone who has a proven track record of delivering high-quality, professional designs. This is where working with an experienced web design company comes in. They have the resources, the expertise, experience to deliver a website that's not only visually appealing, but also functional and user-friendly.
So, another important factor to consider when choosing a WordPress website designer is the team's ability to provide ongoing support. Your website is like a living and breathing document that needs updates, changes, and even the occasional bug fix. A team that is dedicated to ongoing support will be able to provide you with help and support that you need to ensure your website runs and continues to run smoothly.
Yeah. What are some other benefits of working with a team versus just an individual? Let us know in the comments.
It's essential to find a designer who has studied user experience and the psychology of design.
Hey, that's Angelina. She actually teaches that in school because she's a badass.
Thank you. A website that is designed with the user in mind will be much more effective at converting users into paying customers or donors.
Finally, it's important to find a designer who won't just build and move on. A good designer will conduct competitive research before beginning the design process to ensure they build something that matches search behavior. This will help to ensure that your website is optimized for search engines, making it more likely that pages get found by users who are searching for the products or services you provide. Not starting with research is just plain dumb.
What other attributes are you looking for in a designer? Message us in the comments.
When working with a WordPress website designer, it's important to work with an experienced business, find a team that provides ongoing support, work with a designer who has studied user experience and the psychology of design, and find someone who conducts competitive research before beginning the design process. By keeping these points in mind, you'll be able to find the perfect designer for your business and create a website that is beautiful, functional, and effective.
Yeah, it is. So thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. It says blow a kiss.